In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a call booking funnel for free. Now you can use this call booking funnel if you're wanting to book free discovery calls or if you want to charge for your calls. Now I'll show you the tweak you need to make if you want to switch this from a free discovery call booking funnel to a paid booking funnel. Now this is our booking funnel right here, and I'll show you the pages that make up this booking funnel in just a minute. So that way you can recreate them for yourself and create this booking funnel for free. And if you wanted to do that, then I recommend using Systeme.io to build your funnel, because Systeme.io has a completely free plan that allows you to build up to 3 sales funnels and also build your email list up to 2,000 subscribers, use the booking calendar feature and so on, all without having to pay. Now that said, if you want to take a shortcut, then you can get access to my booking funnel template right here that I've built here via a link in the description below this video. You'll then be able to pull this booking funnel into your Systeme.io account with one click of a button. Now, of course, that's going to save you many hours of work having to otherwise recreate this yourself. Now, just a quick heads up, this funnel template is not free. And that's because this is a premium funnel template. It's not a crappy funnel template that's got things missing on it or very minimal content or anything like that. It's got multiple pages that have all been put together correctly. It's fully customizable. And it did actually take me several hours to create this particular funnel. So that's why it's not free. However, I'm charging a very small fee for this funnel. And I think if you click that link in the description below this video and you see what I'm actually charging, you'll probably laugh because it's such a nominal fee for a high quality funnel template like this. And it's going to save you hours of work trying to create this yourself. But anyway, of course, that's up to you. If you first just watch the video and then look at the pages that I've created in this funnel and then recreate it yourself, then please be my guest, that's fine. But if you want to save yourself hours of work and have a premium funnel template for a really nominal fee, then click that link and check it out. Now, with that said, let me show you the pages of this funnel and I'll walk you through how it works. And I'll also show you the little tweak you need to make if you want to switch this from a free discovery call booking funnel to a paid booking funnel. Okay, so first of all, we have the landing page of our funnel, which is essentially offering a free lead magnet in exchange for the email address. So when your visitor clicks the download now button, the pop-up will appear where they can enter their name and email address and receive your free lead magnet. And then once they click this button, they are redirected to page number 2, which is essentially a thank you page. But here is a great opportunity for you to offer a video with like a mini training or something like that on solving a particular pain point that your ideal client will likely be struggling with. So this way, first of all, you're offering tremendous value, demonstrating your skills and demonstrating you can actually solve their problems. And then in your video, of course, you encourage them to book a discovery call with you or a paid call if you're using this as a paid call booking funnel. Anyway, let's for now say this is a free discovery call booking funnel. Once the visitor clicks this button here, they're taken to page number 3 where they can book their time slot with you. And here we're using the Systeme.io calendar. However, if you prefer to use an external calendar like Calendly or TidyCal, for example, then you can also do that as well and just embed that calendar into Systeme.io. Now, if you wanted to do that and you don't know how to do it, then you can watch this video I'm showing on my screen right now. And I'll also leave a link to that video in the description below this video, so it's easy for you to find it. Alternatively, if you want to use the Systeme.io calendar like I've done here, then it's also pretty easy to set up the Systeme.io calendar. If that's the case, then you can watch this video that I'm showing on the screen right now. And that video will walk you through how to set up your calendar in Systeme.io. And again, I've left a link to that video as well in the description below this video. So it's easy for you to find it and follow along and set up your calendar smoothly. Anyway, once your visitor has booked their time slot and click the button, they go to the next page. And this is an optional page I've added if you wanted to collect some information from your prospects ahead of the call. Then we've got Google form embedded here. And then the person submits the form, clicks the button, and then they go to the final thank you page. This is just for you to say a quick message to thank them for booking in, looking forward to seeing them, blah, 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 and links to your social profiles and whatever. Now, alternatively, if you want to offer paid calls, then I have this additional page set up right here where you can charge for your calls. Now, let me show you inside Systeme.io how to reorder your pages if you want to switch this booking funnel from a free discovery call booking funnel to a paid booking funnel. Okay, so here we are inside of Systeme.io, and this is the funnel template we're talking about, the coaching consulting funnel template, and we have 6 pages set up here. So these are currently ordered if you're using this for free discovery calls. Now I'll show you in a minute how to switch the pages around if you want to charge for your call. So anyway, first of all, we have our landing page, which is also the squeeze page, which is this one here. And this is the page your visitor will first come to where they can opt in to download your free lead magnet. And then we have the thank you page with the free mini training, which will be this page right here. And then your prospects diverted to the discovery call page. Now, this is the page where you have your calendar, which is this page right here. And then after that, they go to the questionnaire, which is this page right here. And then the final thank you page, which is right here. Now, at the back, we've got the checkout page right at the back here. So if you're using this for free discovery calls, then just leave the checkout page right at the back here and your prospects won't be able to access it. So once they get to this final thank you page, which is this page right here, there's no way they can move on to the final funnel step. So you can just leave this page here, it'll be dormant. You can actually delete it if you want to. However, I recommend just leaving it there in place, just in case you change your mind in the future that you do want to switch this funnel out and use it for paid booking calls. So just bear that in mind. Now, also what's really important to note is when you set the pages up, for most of the pages, it doesn't really matter what type of page you've used. I'll explain what I mean just in a sec, but for 1 or 2 pages, it does absolutely matter that you choose the correct page. So as you can see here, the squeeze page, underneath it says squeeze page. It also says squeeze page for the thank you page as well, and the discovery call page. What I mean is at the bottom left down here, when you set up your pages, you choose your page type. So you've got sales page, order forms, upsells, downsells, thank you pages, and so on. So now for most of these, it doesn't matter which page you choose, except for the squeeze page. It must be a squeeze page. So when you select it from here, it's this one here, the opt-in squeeze page. Now your thank you page can just be a regular thank you page, but it's quicker and easier just for me to duplicate that page and turn it into a thank you page. That's why it's this squeeze page right here. But it doesn't actually matter for this type of page. Now where it does matter is the discovery call page right here. So this page is your calendar booking page. Now, because your calendar booking page, if you open this up, has an opt-in form on it right here, under step 2 for the form, here is a form submission where the person will book their time slot right here, and then they'll click next step, and they'll go to the next step where they enter their name, email address, phone number, or whatever you want to collect, and submit the form. So because this is submitting the form, that's why this particular page, when you set it up, must be the squeeze page type of page that you find right down here. Now again, for the questionnaire page or the thank you page, doesn't matter what page you use, but the checkout page, the last page, needs to be an order form page. So from here, when you select the page, if you scroll down, you'll see it right here under sales, order form page. That way you have all the order form functionality built into your page. Now with that said, if you want to switch this funnel from being a free discovery call booking funnel to a paid booking funnel, all you need to do is click the checkout page and drag it up and move it after the first thank you page. So now what will happen is your visitor will land on your squeeze page, opt in for your free lead magnet right here. They'll then go to the thank you page just as before, where they'll see your little mini training. And then when they click that button on this page after they've watched your video, instead of going to the page to book their appointment, they first go to the checkout page to pay for the session. And then once they've clicked confirm payment and submitted their payment, they are then sent to the discovery call page right here where they can book their appointment with you. And then after that, once they fill this information in, they are sent to the questionnaire page to answer your questions you want to know ahead of the call. And then after that, they go to the final thank you page, which is right here. That's basically all you need to do is just drag that up after the first thank you page. And then this funnel is then reordered to work as a paid booking funnel. And of course, on your checkout, you just need to make sure you set up your pricing, and you do that right down here. So because it's a paid call, from these 2 options here, where it says choose offer type, you want to choose digital product. And then under digital product, you just go to the right hand side, click on the plus button, create a name like one-to-one coaching call. And then under resources, what you want to do is you want to set a tag. Under tags, come up to CRM, under tags, you want to set up a tag that says something like paid one-to-one call or whatever you want to call it. And then you'll see your tags listed down here from the drop-down menu. So I've got this one here called coaching client. I'm going to just choose that for now. And then you select your price plan. So click the button on the far right-hand side next to price plans. And now here, you select if it's a one-time payment, subscription, payment plan. In most cases, it's going to be a one-time payment. And then you can create your pricing plan right here by clicking this little link that says create a new one. Now here, you write whatever you want it to say on the order page right here. For example, one-to-one call with your name as an example. You copy that, put it into the same here. This is how this would display on your dashboard inside of Systeme.io. This is what will display on your actual booking page right here for the customer to see. Then statement descriptor is really important. Whatever you write here will appear on your client's bank or credit card statement. So make this very clear. So when they see it, they know that, oh yeah, that's the call with you. Because you don't want them to not recognize the payment and then call their bank or credit card company to do a charge back or something like that. That would be awful. So just make sure that's very clear what that is. And then here you set your price, whatever it's going to be. So $2.99 or whatever it is. Click save and you're good to go. Now, as I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to shortcut the whole process, then by all means, you're welcome to use my funnel template. You can access it via the link in the description below this video. Now, if you got value from this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot and I really appreciate it. Now, if you want to see step-by-step instructions on how to set up your Systeme.io calendar for your booking funnel, then you can watch this video right here. Or if you want to use an external calendar for your booking funnel, like Calendly or TidyCal, for example, then watch this video right here.